It's a new world of powered devices. So how do you handle new power demands? With the same old source of power? This doesn't work. And this doesn't work. And this just isn't how it should work. Now you can take power off the wall, putting more kinds of power in more places by plugging into the power of Legrand. Legrand's convenient furniture power solutions don't require ripping up walls or running wires. Just pop them in, plug them in, and power whenever it's needed. Legrand is a global leader in power solutions and innovative ways to bring different kinds of power to all different kinds of spaces. So wherever you see furniture, now you can see power. Legrand's furniture power products are designed with a simple, clean aesthetic, with color options to complement any space, and an array of options with standard power as well as USB-A and C ports. When you're looking for bright ideas for powering today's devices, plug into the power of Legrand. Discover the whole line of furniture power solutions today.